Close your eyes. Breathe in the stillness of the night. Imagine a mountain range, silhouetted against a star-dusted sky. Majestic, immutable, they seem to stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Their peaks pierce the heavens, their slopes carved by centuries of wind and weather. A timeless monument, you might think. And yet, within that seemingly solid stone, a story of immense power and breathtaking change unfolds. A story whispered on the wind, etched in the very grain of the rock itself. These mountains, these giants of the earth, are not static. They are not merely sculpted stone. They are living entities, breathing with the planet itself. Think of the earth as a vast, slumbering giant, its breath a slow, rhythmic pulse of tectonic plates shifting beneath our feet. Mountains, then, are the exhalations of this ancient being, rising from the depths in a silent, majestic sigh. They are born of fire and pressure, forged in the heart of the planet, then thrust skyward in a breathtaking display of geological artistry. Imagine the molten rock, churning and bubbling deep within the Earth's embrace. Enormous forces, immeasurable in their power, push and grind against each other, creating immense pressure that slowly, inexorably, forces the Earth's crust upward. This is the birth of a mountain range, a slow, magnificent unfolding that spans eons. But the story doesn't end there. Even as they rise, the mountains are being sculpted, reshaped by the relentless forces of erosion. The wind, a tireless sculptor, whispers across their faces, wearing away at the stone, grain by grain. Water, a relentless artist, carves deep valleys and canyons, its ceaseless flow a testament to the enduring power of nature. Ice, a patient architect, shapes the landscape with glacial precision, leaving behind a legacy of sharp peaks and U-shaped valleys. And so, the mountains stand, a testament to both creation and destruction, a living record of the Earth's tireless dance of building and breaking down. They are a constant reminder of the profound forces at play beneath our feet, forces that continue to shape and reshape our world, even as we sleep. As we journey through this exploration of mountain formation, remember this: the mountains are not simply stone, but a breathing testament to the Earth's enduring power and beauty. A journey that continues even as we rest. Let the rhythm of the Earth lull you into a peaceful slumber, a slumber filled with the wonder of the mountains. The story of their creation is only just beginning. Let us delve deeper into the image of the Earth breathing, a metaphor that will guide our understanding of the magnificent dance of mountain creation. Imagine our planet not as a rigid, unchanging sphere, but as a living, breathing entity. Its breath is not the wind that whispers through the valleys, nor the waves that crash against the shores, but something far more profound and powerful. This breath is the slow, rhythmic movement of tectonic plates, vast slabs of rock that make up the Earth's crust. These plates are in constant motion, a silent ballet played out over millions of years. They collide, they separate, they slide past each other, creating the dynamic landscape we see today. Mountains, then, are the visible manifestations of this profound internal energy. They are the exhalations of the Earth, the peaks and valleys, the majestic ranges formed by the slow, powerful rise and fall of the planet's crust. When these plates collide, the Earth's crust buckles and folds, like a wrinkled fabric under immense pressure. This crumpling and compression forces the rock upwards, creating towering mountain ranges. The Himalayas, the Andes, the Rockies, all born from this colossal clash of tectonic titans. The force is so immense that it can lift entire mountain ranges, thousands of meters into the sky, a testament to the Earth's awesome power. But the Earth's breath is not just about creation. It is also about destruction. As the plates move, they also pull apart, creating fissures and rifts. Volcanoes erupt, spewing forth molten rock that adds to the mountain's height, while simultaneously carving new landscapes with its fiery breath. This interplay of building and breaking down, of creation and destruction, is central to the Earth's dynamic nature. Understanding mountain formation through the lens of the Earth's breath allows us to see the process not as a series of isolated events, but as a continuous, interconnected dance. It highlights the cyclical nature of geological processes, the constant interplay between internal forces and external influences. It connects the seemingly static mountains to the dynamic heart of the planet, reminding us that even the most imposing landscapes are in a state of perpetual flux, constantly being shaped and reshaped by the Earth's relentless rhythm. As we continue on our journey, remember this image of the Earth breathing, for it holds the key to understanding the magnificent story of mountains. Let this image settle within you, as the gentle rhythm of the Earth's breath guides your slumber. Now, let's delve into the very foundation upon which mountains rise, the theory of plate tectonics. Imagine the Earth's surface not as a solid, unbroken shell, but as a giant jigsaw puzzle, composed of numerous colossal pieces called tectonic plates. These plates, vast and powerful, are constantly drifting, colliding, and separating, driven by the immense forces simmering within our planet's core. Picture them as massive rafts floating on a sea of molten rock, their movements slow and deliberate, yet capable of shaping the very face of the Earth. These plates are not merely drifting aimlessly. Their interactions are the architects of our planet's magnificent landscapes. When two plates collide, a powerful drama unfolds. Imagine the slow, inexorable push, the immense pressure building as these colossal landmasses meet. The Earth's crust, unable to withstand the force, buckles and folds, like a tapestry crumpled under a gentle yet persistent hand. This crumpling, this majestic folding, is the genesis of mountain ranges. The Himalayas, for instance, stand as a testament to this colossal collision, a breathtaking monument to the Earth's enduring power. Sometimes one plate dives beneath another, a process known as subduction. Imagine this as a graceful dance, a slow descent into the Earth's fiery embrace. As one plate slides beneath the other, the immense pressure generates heat, melting the rock and creating volcanoes. These volcanoes, fiery sentinels of the Earth's dynamism, add to the mountain's height, contributing to the ever-evolving landscape. Other times, the plates pull apart, creating rifts and valleys. This separation, this gentle parting of ways, allows molten rock to rise from the Earth's depths, creating new crust and further shaping the surrounding terrain. These processes, though seemingly slow and imperceptible on a human timescale, are the driving forces behind the creation of mountains, the very foundation upon which these majestic giants stand. They are a testament to the Earth's inherent power, a silent symphony played out over millions of years, a profound story of creation and transformation etched in stone. Let this image of drifting plates, colliding and separating, settle within you as you continue your journey into the heart of mountain formation. Embrace the slow, rhythmic pulse of the planet's tectonic heart. Now, let's focus our attention on a particular dance of the tectonic plates, the convergent boundary. Imagine two colossal rafts, representing our tectonic plates, drifting across a vast ocean of molten rock. In this scenario, these rafts are not merely drifting side by side, but are on a collision course. As they inexorably draw closer, the immense pressure builds, a silent crescendo of geological forces. This is the heart of mountain building. Picture the moment of impact. The edges of these colossal plates, once separated by vast distances, meet with a force that defies human comprehension. The Earth's crust, under this immense pressure, cannot simply absorb the shock. Instead, it buckles, it folds, it wrinkles, much like a finely woven carpet pressed under a heavy weight. This crumpling, this magnificent compression, is the genesis of towering mountain ranges. Visualize two giant, soft clay blocks slowly pushing into each other. As they meet, they don't simply merge. They rise, their edges pushing upwards, forming a peak. This simple analogy captures the essence of convergent boundaries. The pressure from the colliding plates forces the land upwards, creating the majestic heights we recognize as mountains. The Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, these monumental ranges stand as testaments to this colossal collision. They are not simply piles of rock. They are the solidified echoes of a titanic struggle, a testament to the Earth's enduring power. The sheer scale of these mountain ranges is staggering, a humbling reminder of the immense forces at play beneath our feet. Feel the weight of these ancient collisions, the slow, deliberate rise of the land, each peak a monument to the Earth's creative energy. As you contemplate these converging plates, visualize the slow, majestic uplift, the gradual ascent of the land. Imagine the immense power, the silent strength, the creative destruction of this geological ballet. It's a dance of creation and transformation, a performance played out on a geological timescale, a story written in stone, a symphony of earth and fire. Let the image of these colliding plates, rising to form majestic peaks, settle into your consciousness. Let it bring you a sense of awe and wonder at the Earth's power. Now, let's journey to a place where the Earth's dramatic history is etched into the very landscape. The Himalayas. These majestic mountains, the crown jewels of the planet, stand as a powerful testament to the forces of convergent plate boundaries. Imagine, if you will, a collision of such immense scale that it sculpted these colossal peaks, a breathtaking panorama of snow-capped summits and deep, echoing valleys. The Himalayas are not merely mountains. They are a living record of a cataclysmic event, a slow-motion collision spanning millennia. Two immense tectonic plates, the Indian and Eurasian plates, locked in a relentless embrace, their edges crumpling and thrusting upwards. This ongoing collision, this geological ballet of immense power, continues to shape the landscape even today. Envision the sheer scale of this event. The Himalayas, stretching for thousands of kilometers, are a testament to the Earth's relentless creativity. Their towering peaks, piercing the sky, are the visible manifestation of this tectonic tango. Each towering summit, each plunging valley, tells a story of immense pressure, of ancient forces at play. Imagine the slow, gradual uplift, the relentless pressure forcing the land skyward. Picture the rocks, once lying flat, now contorted and folded, a testament to the raw power of this geological embrace. The very stones themselves whisper tales of a collision of epic proportions, a drama unfolding over millions of years. Consider Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, a sentinel standing guard over this colossal range. This monumental peak, a testament to the Earth's creative power, is not merely a point on a map. It is a symbol of the immense forces that shape our world. It is a reminder of the ongoing, dynamic nature of our planet, a constant reminder of the Earth's creative power. Let the image of the Himalayas, these magnificent mountains born of a colossal collision, settle into your mind. Let the vastness of this range, the sheer scale of this geological event, inspire a sense of awe and wonder. Let the quiet power of this ongoing collision fill you with a sense of peace and tranquility. The Himalayas, a legacy of collision, a testament to the Earth's enduring beauty. Now, let's shift our focus to a different kind of geological dance, the slow, deliberate pulling apart of the Earth's crust. This is the realm of divergent plate boundaries, where tectonic plates move away from each other, creating a space for new land to emerge. Imagine the Earth breathing not just through collisions, but also through separation. Picture vast, underwater mountain ranges, stretching for thousands of kilometers across the ocean floor. These are mid-ocean ridges, the scars of this tectonic parting. As the plates drift apart, molten rock from deep within the Earth rises to fill the gap, solidifying to form new crust. This process, a constant renewal of the Earth's surface, is a quiet symphony of creation. This seemingly distant process, happening deep beneath the ocean's surface, has a surprising connection to the mountains we see on land. While the mid-ocean ridges themselves are underwater mountains, the creation of new crust at these divergent boundaries has an indirect influence on continental mountain building. Think of the Earth's crust as a giant puzzle. When new crust is formed at the mid-ocean ridges, it pushes existing crust outwards, like adding new pieces to the puzzle. This outward push, though subtle, can exert immense pressure on the edges of continents, contributing to the uplift and deformation of the land. Consider the immense forces at play. The slow, relentless movement of tectonic plates, the creation of new crust at divergent boundaries, the resulting pressure exerted on continental plates, all these contribute to the dynamic landscape we see today. The mountains, born from collisions and indirectly influenced by separation, are a testament to this intricate interplay. The process is gradual, almost imperceptible on a human timescale. Yet, over millions of years, the cumulative effect is profound, shaping continents and creating the majestic mountain ranges we admire. The mountains, then, are not just the product of collisions. They are the result of a complex interplay of forces, a testament to the Earth's ever-evolving nature. These slow, powerful forces, working in concert, continue to sculpt our planet, creating and reshaping the world around us. Let the image of this quiet, powerful creation settle within you. Imagine a vast, underwater mountain range, a colossal spine running down the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. This is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a testament to the Earth's ceaseless creation. It's a place where the tectonic plates are slowly, relentlessly pulling apart, a process that has been unfolding for millions of years. This ridge is not merely a mountain range. It's a living, breathing boundary, where the Earth's crust is constantly being renewed. As the North American and Eurasian plates drift westward and the South American and African plates drift eastward, a fissure opens between them. Molten rock, rising from the Earth's mantle, wells up into this gap, cooling and solidifying to form new oceanic crust. Picture this slow, continuous flow of molten rock, a subterranean river of fire, creating new land at an imperceptible pace. It's a process so gradual that we rarely notice it in our daily lives. Yet its impact over geological timescales is immense. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a tangible manifestation of this ongoing creation, a physical representation of the Earth's dynamic heart. The process is akin to a slow, steady exhalation, the Earth releasing its inner heat and creating new land in the process. This new crust, formed from cooled magma, pushes the older crust outwards, a subtle yet powerful force that contributes to the movement of continents and, indirectly, to the formation of mountains on land. Imagine the weight of this process, the immense pressure exerted by the newly formed crust. This pressure, acting over millions of years, is a significant factor in shaping the Earth's surface. It's a reminder that even seemingly insignificant movements, when sustained over vast periods, can have a profound effect on our planet's landscape. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is more than just a geological feature. It's a window into the Earth's inner workings, a visible representation of the powerful forces that shape our world. It's a constant reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet, a place where creation and destruction are intertwined in a never-ending cycle. Let the rhythmic pulse of this creation resonate within you, a peaceful counterpoint to the more dramatic events of mountain building on land. The quiet strength of this underwater world speaks volumes about the patient power of our planet. Now, let's consider a different kind of interaction between tectonic plates: the transform boundary. Unlike the dramatic collisions of convergent boundaries or the gentle spreading of divergent ones, transform boundaries are characterized by a lateral movement, plates sliding past each other. While not directly responsible for the towering peaks we often associate with mountains, their influence is significant, shaping landscapes in a more subtle, yet equally powerful way. Imagine two massive plates grinding against each other, their edges catching and releasing in a slow, grinding dance. This friction generates immense pressure, building up until it's released in sudden bursts of energy, earthquakes. These seismic events are the hallmark of transform boundaries, their tremors reverberating through the Earth's crust, influencing the evolution of landscapes far beyond the immediate fault line. The effects of these earthquakes, though often destructive in the short term, contribute to the long-term shaping of mountains. The shifting and fracturing of rock layers caused by seismic activity can create valleys, cliffs, and other dramatic features. These sudden shifts, though seemingly chaotic, are part of a larger, slow-motion geological process that molds and reshapes the Earth's surface. Think of a sculptor working with clay, not through gentle molding but through forceful movements. The cracks and fissures created by these powerful movements are then further modified by other natural processes like erosion and weathering, adding their own delicate touch to the final masterpiece. This interplay between the sudden, violent forces of earthquakes and the slow, patient sculpting of nature produces a unique and stunning landscape. The San Andreas Fault, a prominent example of a transform boundary, is a testament to this process. Its jagged path through California is a visible scar on the Earth's surface, a stark reminder of the immense forces at play beneath our feet. The earthquakes along this fault, while often destructive, are also responsible for creating the dramatic topography of the region. While transform boundaries might not directly build mountains in the same way as convergent boundaries, their role in shaping the landscape is undeniable. They contribute to the complex tapestry of our planet's surface, adding a layer of dynamism and unpredictability to the geological processes shaping our world. The subtle shifts and powerful tremors of these boundaries are an integral part of the continuous evolution of our planet's majestic mountains and valleys, a silent yet influential player in the Earth's grand geological drama. The constant, subtle shifts are a reminder of the ever-present movement beneath our feet, a quiet hum of energy shaping the world around us. Let's now turn our attention to a specific and dramatic example of a transformed boundary: the San Andreas Fault. This immense fracture in the Earth's crust, running through California, is a visible testament to the power of lateral plate movement. It's a scar on the landscape, a long, jagged line etched by the relentless grinding of the Pacific and North American plates. Imagine, if you will, two colossal ships, their hulls scraping against each other in a slow, inexorable dance. This is akin to the movement of the tectonic plates along the San Andreas Fault. The friction generated by this continuous movement builds up immense pressure, which is periodically released in the form of earthquakes. These seismic events are not just random occurrences. They are integral to the shaping of the Californian landscape. The ground itself shudders, cracks, and shifts, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving terrain. The fault line is not just a line on a map. It's a dynamic zone of activity, a place where the Earth is constantly reshaping itself. The San Andreas Fault isn't just a geological feature. It's a story written in rock, a narrative of millions of years of movement and change. The mountains and valleys of California owe a significant part of their dramatic features to this fault. The jagged cliffs, the deep canyons, the offset riverbeds. These are all testaments to the fault's powerful influence. Picture the landscape as a canvas, and the earthquakes as the artist's brushstrokes. Each tremor, each rupture, adds a new layer to the painting, creating a landscape of breathtaking beauty and geological complexity. The fault line itself is a visible reminder of the Earth's dynamic nature, a constant reminder of the power that lies beneath our feet. The San Andreas Fault isn't merely a boundary. It's a sculptor, a tireless artist slowly but surely carving the landscape of California. Its story is written in the very fabric of the land, a testament to the ongoing geological processes that shape our world. The dramatic shifts and subtle changes, over millennia, have resulted in a landscape that captures the essence of this constant movement, a landscape both beautiful and awe-inspiring. It's a powerful reminder of the Earth's enduring transformation, a landscape sculpted not just by time, but by the raw, powerful energy of tectonic plates in motion. This constant, subtle shifting is a reminder of the ever-present movement beneath our feet, a quiet hum of energy shaping the world around us. Imagine the Earth's crust not as a rigid shell, but as a mosaic of immense, shifting plates. These plates, driven by forces deep within the planet, are in constant motion, a slow, majestic dance that shapes the very face of our world. And at the heart of this dance lies the process of uplift, the slow, powerful rising of mountains. Uplift isn't a sudden event. It's a gradual, almost imperceptible process unfolding over millions of years. Think of it as a breath, a slow, deep inhalation of the Earth itself. The forces involved are immense, unimaginable pressures pushing upwards from the planet's interior. These forces, born from the movement of tectonic plates, are the architects of mountain ranges, slowly but surely pushing the land skyward. When tectonic plates collide, the immense pressure forces the Earth's crust to buckle and fold. This compression, like a giant's hand gently but firmly pushing upwards, creates the initial rise of mountain ranges. It's a slow, deliberate process, a testament to the patient power of geological forces. The rocks themselves are squeezed, compressed, and transformed, their structures altered by the immense pressure. Picture the slow, relentless pressure, like the steady push of a glacier, shaping the landscape over eons. It's a process so gradual that it's almost imperceptible in a human lifetime, yet its impact is monumental, creating the majestic peaks that dominate our world. The Earth, in its slow, patient way, is continually reshaping itself, creating and destroying, building and eroding. This uplift isn't limited to dramatic collisions. Even the seemingly subtle movements of plates can contribute to the slow, upward push of mountains. The very land we stand on is part of this dynamic process, a testament to the ceaseless energy within the Earth. The mountains themselves are living monuments to this process, their very existence a testament to the immense power and patient persistence of geological forces. Consider the Himalayas, the towering peaks that pierce the sky, a magnificent testament to the power of uplift. These colossal mountains are the result of the ongoing collision between the Indian and Eurasian plates, a collision that continues to this day, slowly but surely pushing the Himalayas even higher. It's a process that continues to shape the landscape, a constant reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. The slow, steady rise of mountains is a profound and beautiful process, a reminder of the Earth's immense power and enduring beauty. It's a silent symphony of geological forces, played out over millions of years, creating the majestic landscapes that inspire awe and wonder. The very act of uplift is a testament to the planet's resilience and its capacity for constant, breathtaking change. While uplift builds mountains, erosion patiently sculpts them, a constant counterpoint to the creative forces of tectonic movement. Imagine a sculptor, not with chisel and hammer, but with the gentle persistence of wind and water, ice and gravity, shaping the land with a delicate yet powerful touch. This is the work of erosion, a slow, patient process that refines and reshapes the towering forms created by uplift. Erosion isn't merely destruction. It's a transformative process, a continuous cycle of wearing away and rebuilding. Think of it as a conversation between the mountain and the elements, a dialogue etched into the very fabric of the landscape. The wind whispers secrets across the mountain face, carrying away grains of sand and dust, slowly smoothing the sharp edges and carving new pathways. Water, in its myriad forms, is a master sculptor. Rain, a gentle caress at times, relentlessly wears away at the exposed rock, carving intricate patterns and shaping valleys. Rivers, powerful currents, carve deep gorges and canyons, their persistent flow a testament to the relentless power of nature. Glaciers, slow-moving rivers of ice, act as colossal bulldozers, carving out U-shaped valleys and leaving behind sculpted landscapes. Gravity, the ever-present force, pulls loose rocks and debris down the mountain slopes, shaping scree slopes and contributing to the overall reshaping of the mountain's form. This constant downward movement, the slow creep of rock and soil, is a silent but powerful sculptor, continually modifying the mountain's silhouette. The wind, the rain, the rivers, the glaciers, and gravity, each plays a unique role in this intricate dance of erosion. They work together, a harmonious ensemble, shaping the mountains into their diverse and ever-changing forms. The result is a landscape of breathtaking beauty, a testament to the enduring power of these natural forces. Consider the jagged peaks of the Alps, their sharp edges softened by the relentless action of glaciers and rain, or the smooth, rounded hills of the Appalachians, shaped by millions of years of weathering and erosion. Each mountain range, unique in its character, is a living testament to the enduring power of erosion. Erosion is not an enemy of the mountains, but rather a partner in their creation. It is the force that reveals the underlying structure of the rock, exposing the layers of geological history. It is the force that shapes the valleys, creating habitats for life and enriching the land. It is the force that continues to shape the landscape, ensuring that the mountains remain dynamic and ever-changing. The mountains rise, and erosion patiently refines their forms, a constant interplay of creation and transformation. It's a process as beautiful as it is powerful, a testament to the enduring beauty and power of nature's artistry. Before erosion can sculpt the mountains, a crucial preparatory stage takes place: weathering. Imagine the mountain as a mighty fortress, seemingly invincible. Yet, Even the strongest fortresses succumb to the relentless siege of time and the elements. Weathering is that siege, the slow, patient breakdown of rock, preparing it for the sculpting hand of erosion. This process unfolds in two primary ways: physical weathering and chemical weathering. Physical weathering is a process of disintegration, a breaking apart of the rock without altering its chemical composition. Picture the relentless freeze-thaw cycle in high-altitude regions. Water seeps into cracks in the rock, freezes, and expands, exerting immense pressure that wedges the rock apart. This process, repeated countless times, gradually breaks down even the most resistant rock, creating fragments and rubble. Imagine also the abrasive power of wind-blown sand, relentlessly scouring the rock face, gradually smoothing and polishing the surface, like a sculptor meticulously refining their work. The impact of falling rocks, the relentless pounding of waves against coastal cliffs, all contribute to the physical disintegration of the mountain's mass. These are the subtle yet powerful forces of physical weathering, patiently preparing the rock for its journey down the mountainside. Chemical weathering, on the other hand, is a process of decomposition, a transformation of the rock's chemical makeup. Rainwater, slightly acidic, reacts with certain minerals in the rock, dissolving them slowly over time. This process is particularly effective on rocks containing calcium carbonate, like limestone, which readily dissolves in slightly acidic water. The result is a gradual weakening of the rock, making it more susceptible to the forces of physical weathering and erosion. Imagine the slow, almost imperceptible chemical reactions occurring within the rock, a silent transformation that weakens its structure. This is a process that unfolds over vast stretches of time, a gradual dissolving and reforming of minerals within the rock, slowly changing its properties and making it more vulnerable to the forces of erosion. The interplay between physical and chemical weathering is a complex dance, a constant back and forth that gradually breaks down the mountain's rocky defenses. Physical weathering creates cracks and fissures, providing pathways for water and air to penetrate the rock, accelerating chemical weathering. Chemical weathering weakens the rock, making it more susceptible to physical disintegration. This continuous interaction, a slow and steady process, is fundamental to the shaping of mountain landscapes. Think of the intricate patterns etched into the rock face, the unique textures and colors, all a testament to the complex interplay of physical and chemical weathering. These are the subtle yet powerful forces that prepare the rock for its journey downhill, setting the stage for the grand sculpting work of erosion. The mountains, seemingly immovable, are constantly yielding to the patient work of weathering, a prelude to the grand spectacle of erosion. The breakdown is as much a part of the story as the uplift, a continuous cycle of creation and transformation. Now, let's turn our attention to the relentless sculptor water. Imagine a raindrop, seemingly insignificant, yet possessing immense power over geological timescales. Each drop, cascading down a mountain slope, carries with it tiny particles of weathered rock, a testament to the erosional power of water. These tiny rivulets, gathering momentum as they descend, carve minute channels into the earth, the beginnings of a river's journey. Picture the gentle streams, meandering through the landscape, their waters weaving a tapestry of erosion. The constant flow of water, even in seemingly placid streams, relentlessly wears away at the rock, gradually deepening and widening its channel. Pebbles and boulders, tumbled along the riverbed, act like tiny hammers, chipping away at the bedrock, smoothing and shaping the river's path. As the river gathers volume, its erosional power intensifies. It carves deeper into the land, creating valleys, those graceful, sweeping troughs that cradle the river's flow. The valley walls, sculpted by the river's persistent work, bear witness to the passage of time, their layers revealing the story of the mountain's slow, patient transformation. In regions of particularly resistant rock, the river's relentless carving creates canyons deep, imposing gorges that stand as monuments to the power of water. Imagine the Colorado River, patiently chiseling the Grand Canyon over millions of years, a testament to the enduring power of water's relentless erosion. The sheer scale of these canyons is breathtaking, a testament to the patience and power of nature. The river's work is not limited to carving valleys and canyons. It also transports the weathered material downstream, carrying the sediment away to be deposited elsewhere, further shaping the landscape. Imagine the river as a conveyor belt, transporting the fragments of mountains to new locations, reshaping plains and deltas, adding to the cycle of creation and destruction. The rhythmic flow of the river, its constant work of erosion, is a meditation on the passage of time. Each bend in the river, each ripple on its surface, tells a story of persistent shaping, a silent testament to the power of water to reshape the earth. The valleys and canyons, the graceful curves and imposing cliffs, all bear silent witness to this continuous, transformative process, a gentle reminder of the patient power of water. The landscape, sculpted by water's hand, is a breathtaking masterpiece, a testament to the enduring power of nature's slow, gentle hand. The river's journey is a continuous cycle of erosion and deposition, a constant reshaping of the land, a timeless dance between water and rock. Now, let us journey to a place where the power of water is etched into the very fabric of the landscape, the Grand Canyon. A testament to the patient artistry of the Colorado River, this colossal chasm is a breathtaking spectacle, a profound example of water's enduring influence on the earth. Imagine a ribbon of water, seemingly fragile, yet wielding an almost unimaginable power, carving its path through eons. Picture the Colorado River, a persistent sculptor, patiently carving its way through layers upon layers of ancient rock. Over millions of years, its waters have relentlessly eroded the earth, revealing a breathtaking tapestry of geological history. The sheer scale of the Grand Canyon is almost impossible to comprehend. A vast, awe-inspiring wound in the Earth's surface, a testament to the passage of time on a scale that transcends human understanding. The canyon's walls, a kaleidoscope of colors and textures, tell a story of ancient oceans, shifting continents, and volcanic eruptions. Each layer, each hue, represents a chapter in the Earth's long and complex history, a silent chronicle etched in stone. The canyon's depth is staggering, its sheer walls rising hundreds of meters, a dramatic testament to the power of flowing water. As you look down into the canyon, imagine the river, a tiny thread of water at the bottom, continuing its tireless work, slowly, patiently sculpting the landscape. The canyon is not a static entity, but a dynamic landscape, constantly evolving under the river's relentless influence. The process continues even now, a continuous shaping of the earth, a slow dance between water and rock that has been unfolding for millions of years. Consider the immense timescale involved in the canyon's formation, millions of years of relentless erosion, a geological epic unfolding at a pace imperceptible to human observation. It's a humbling thought, a reminder of the vastness of geological time and the patient power of natural processes. The Grand Canyon is not merely a geological feature. It is a living testament to the Earth's dynamic nature, a symbol of the Earth's enduring capacity for change. It stands as a majestic reminder of the enduring power of water, a silent witness to the slow, steady evolution of our planet. The Colorado River's journey through the canyon is a constant reminder of the persistent forces that shape our world. Its patient carving is a meditation on deep time, a story whispered in stone, a testament to the power of nature's gentle hand. Now, let's turn our attention to another sculptor of the mountains, a force that works with a gentler touch yet wields immense power over vast stretches of time: the wind. While water carves deep canyons and valleys, wind, with its patient persistence, refines and shapes the very peaks themselves. Imagine the wind, a silent artist, tirelessly shaping the landscape, its invisible hand leaving its mark on the mountains. Consider the wind's subtle yet relentless power. It begins its work by wearing down exposed rock faces through abrasion. Tiny grains of sand, propelled by the wind, act like miniature sandblasters, slowly but surely etching away at the mountain's surface. This process, often imperceptible in the short term, accumulates over millennia, resulting in dramatic changes to the landscape. Wind erosion is particularly effective in arid and semi-arid regions where vegetation is sparse, offering little protection against the wind's abrasive power. In these environments, exposed rock faces are relentlessly battered by wind-driven sand, gradually smoothing and sculpting the peaks. The wind's sculpting hand creates unique landforms, often leaving behind smooth, wind-polished surfaces or creating distinctive patterns etched into the rock. Imagine the wind carving intricate patterns into the mountain slopes, creating unique formations and textures. These aren't chaotic marks, but rather the result of a delicate interplay between the wind's direction, the rock's resistance, and the passage of time. The wind's artistry is subtle, yet its impact is profound. It sculpts peaks into elegant shapes, forming intricate patterns that tell a story of the wind's tireless work. Over time, the wind can sculpt dramatic features such as yardongs, streamlined hills carved by the wind's relentless abrasion, or ventifacts, rocks shaped and polished by wind-driven sand. These unique formations serve as a testament to the wind's power, showcasing its ability to shape and reshape the very fabric of the mountains. The wind's work is not merely destructive. It's also a creative force. It transports sediment, depositing it in new locations, creating dunes and shaping the landscape in ways both subtle and dramatic. These processes, occurring in tandem with water and glacial erosion, create a complex and dynamic interplay of forces that shape the mountain's form. The wind, a seemingly intangible force, leaves behind a tangible legacy, shaping the mountains into the majestic landscapes we admire today. The peaks, sculpted by wind, stand as silent monuments to the passage of time and the patient power of the wind. And as we gaze upon them, we can almost hear the wind's whisper, a quiet testament to its enduring artistry. Now, let us journey to a realm of immense power and quiet beauty, where ice, in its slow and relentless flow, sculpts the mountains in ways both breathtaking and profound. We speak of glaciers, rivers of ice that carve their paths through the landscape, leaving behind a legacy of distinctive features that tell a story of their immense power and enduring influence. Imagine a vast expanse of ice, a frozen river slowly creeping down a mountainside. This immense weight, pressing down with unrelenting force, carves its way through the rock, creating valleys unlike any formed by water. While rivers carve V-shaped valleys, glaciers, with their immense mass, excavate U-shaped valleys. Their broad, flat bottoms and steep, straight sides a testament to the ice's formidable power. These valleys, often filled with glacial lakes or carved by meandering rivers, stand as silent witnesses to the ice's relentless sculpting. Picture the glacier's erosional work. As it moves, the ice acts like a giant rasp, grinding away at the rock beneath. Embedded within the ice are rocks and debris, which act as abrasive tools, further eroding the mountain's surface. This process, known as glacial abrasion, polishes and smooths the rock, creating a landscape of striations and polished surfaces, revealing the rock's underlying texture. Consider the cirques, these dramatic bowl-shaped depressions carved into the mountain's sides. These are the birthplaces of glaciers, where the accumulation of snow and ice begins its slow descent. The relentless pressure of the accumulating ice carves these amphitheaters into the mountainside, a testament to the ice's persistent power. These cirques, often filled with meltwater lakes or adorned with vibrant alpine flora, are breathtaking testament to the glacier's sculpting ability. As the glacier moves, it carries with it a vast amount of debris, rocks, and sediment, grinding and sculpting the landscape as it goes. When the glacier eventually melts, it leaves behind a deposit of this material, creating moraines, ridges of rock and sediment that mark the glacier's former extent. These moraines, often forming sweeping arcs across the landscape, serve as maps of the glacier's journey, a record of its past movements. Glacial erosion also creates arêtes, sharp, narrow ridges formed when two glaciers erode adjacent valleys. These knife-edged ridges, often rising dramatically above the surrounding landscape, are a testament to the glacier's sculpting precision. And hanging valleys, smaller valleys that join the main valley at a significant height, are another striking feature, formed where tributary glaciers meet a larger, more powerful glacier. The landscape shaped by glaciers is a masterpiece of natural artistry, a testament to the power of ice. The U-shaped valleys, the cirques, the moraines, the arêtes, and the hanging valleys all combine to create a dramatic and breathtaking landscape. A silent symphony of ice and stone, a reminder of the planet's immense power and the slow, relentless work of time. These glacial formations, a legacy of ice, stand as powerful symbols of nature's enduring artistry. Now, let's turn our gaze to the ancient Appalachian Mountains, a range that whispers tales of immense geological forces and the slow, patient work of time. These mountains, stretching along the eastern edge of North America, stand as a testament to the Earth's dynamic history, a landscape sculpted not only by the fiery heart of the planet, but also by the icy embrace of glaciers. Unlike the towering peaks of the Himalayas, formed by the recent collision of tectonic plates, the Appalachians are much older, their heights softened by eons of erosion. Yet, even these weathered giants bear the marks of glacial activity, a subtle yet significant influence on their current form. While the Appalachians did not experience the extensive glaciation of higher latitudes, the lingering effects of past ice ages are still visible in certain regions. Imagine a time long past, when glaciers, though not as vast as those that carved the U-shaped valleys of Alaska or the fjords of Norway, still exerted a significant influence on the Appalachian landscape. These glaciers, smaller and less extensive, yet equally powerful in their own right, left their mark on the mountain's valleys and slopes. The evidence of this glacial activity is subtle, yet unmistakable. In certain areas, one can find glacial erratics, large boulders transported from distant locations by glaciers and deposited far from their source. These erratics, often perched precariously on hillsides or nestled amongst smaller stones, are silent witnesses to the glacier's journey, their presence a testament to the ice's immense power. Furthermore, the smooth, polished surfaces of some Appalachian rocks bear the marks of glacial abrasion. These polished surfaces, often found in sheltered valleys or on exposed slopes, reveal the grinding action of ice and embedded debris, a subtle yet clear indication of glacial activity. The striations or parallel scratches, etched into the rock surface by the movement of ice, further enhance the evidence. In addition, some Appalachian valleys show subtle characteristics of glacial erosion, though less dramatically U-shaped than those found in higher latitudes. The valleys, while often V-shaped due to water erosion, possess certain features that hint at the subtle influence of glacial activity, such as gentler slopes or unusual sediment deposits. The story of the Appalachians is one of immense age and enduring transformation. Their rounded peaks and gentler slopes, a result of millions of years of erosion, stand in contrast to the sharp, jagged peaks of younger mountain ranges. Yet, within their weathered forms, the subtle influence of glacial erosion remains, a testament to the power of ice and the continuous shaping of the Earth's landscape. These mountains, shaped by fire and ice, stand as a living record of the planet's dynamic history. Their story is a quiet one, told in the subtle curves of valleys, the glacial erratics, and the polished surfaces of ancient rock. Listening closely, we can hear the whispers of time, the legacy of glacial power etched into the heart of these ancient mountains. Now, let us consider the quiet yet powerful influence of gravity on the shaping of our majestic mountains. While tectonic forces build these colossal structures, gravity, in its ceaseless pull, acts as a sculptor, carving and reshaping the landscape in a process known as mass wasting. Imagine the mountains as magnificent works of art, constantly being refined and redefined by the gentle yet persistent hand of gravity. Mass wasting encompasses a range of processes, from the sudden and dramatic to the slow and almost imperceptible. Rockfalls, for instance, are a spectacular display of gravity's power. Picture a lone rock, perched precariously on a steep slope, weakened by weathering and frost action. Then, with a thunderous roar, it breaks free, tumbling down the mountainside, a testament to the irresistible force of gravity. These rockfalls, though seemingly chaotic, contribute significantly to the shaping of mountain landscapes. They carve new paths down slopes, creating talus slopes, cones of rubble, at the base of cliffs. These rocky fans add texture and character to the mountain's face, adding another layer of complexity to its visual splendor. Landslides, on the other hand, are more extensive events, involving the movement of large masses of rock and soil down a slope. They can be triggered by a variety of factors, including heavy rainfall, earthquakes, or even the gradual weakening of the slope itself. Imagine a hillside saturated by rain, slowly losing its grip until, with a groan and a shudder, it slides downward, transforming the landscape in an instant. These landslides leave behind scars on the mountain's face, reshaping slopes and creating new valleys. They are powerful forces of change, modifying the contours of mountains over time, creating new habitats and altering the flow of water. They are a reminder of the dynamic nature of mountains, their shapes constantly evolving under the influence of gravity. Creeps, less dramatic than landslides or rockfalls, are slow, almost imperceptible movements of soil and rock down a slope. They are subtle sculptors, gradually altering the landscape over many years, reshaping slopes and creating subtle undulations. Imagine a hillside slowly inching downhill over decades, a process so gradual that it is barely noticeable, yet its cumulative effect is significant. These creeps reshape slopes, creating subtle curves and undulations. They redistribute soil and rock, modifying the landscape in a slow, steady process, almost like a gentle, patient hand shaping clay. They are a reminder of the constant, subtle changes that occur in mountain environments, a continuous shaping and reshaping under the influence of gravity. Mass wasting, therefore, is a vital component in the grand scheme of mountain building and erosion. It is a continuous process, shaping and reshaping the landscape, a testament to the relentless pull of gravity and the dynamic equilibrium of mountain environments. These processes, from the dramatic rockfalls to the subtle creeps, are all part of the ongoing story of mountain evolution, a testament to the power and the poetry of gravity's enduring influence. Let us now listen to the rhythmic breathing of the earth, a slow, deep inhalation and exhalation that spans millennia. This breathing is the interplay between the uplifting forces that create mountains and the erosional forces that wear them down, a continuous cycle of creation and destruction, a dance of uplift and decay. Picture the Earth's crust, a vast, shifting tapestry of plates, colliding and grinding against each other, forcing the land upwards, creating towering peaks that pierce the sky. This is the Earth's inhalation, a powerful surge of energy that builds the very bones of our mountains. It's a process that takes place over unimaginable stretches of time, a slow, deliberate building of majestic forms. But the Earth also exhales. As the mountains rise, the relentless forces of erosion begin their work. Rain, wind, ice, each element plays its part in the slow, steady dismantling of these colossal structures. Rivers carve deep canyons, glaciers polish rock faces, and wind sculpts intricate patterns in the stone. This is the Earth's exhalation, a slow release, a gentle wearing away, a patient sculpting. This rhythmic breathing is not a chaotic process. It's a measured dance, a symphony of geological forces playing out over vast timescales. Each element, the uplifting force of tectonic plates, the erosional power of water and ice, the relentless pull of gravity, contributes to the overall rhythm, creating a balanced, harmonious system. Imagine the Himalayas, their soaring peaks a testament to the Earth's powerful inhalation. Yet, even these colossal mountains are subject to the Earth's exhalation. The relentless forces of erosion are slowly, surely, shaping and reshaping their forms, carving valleys and sculpting peaks. The mountains are not static monuments. They are dynamic entities, constantly evolving in this grand, geological ballet. This cycle of uplift and erosion is not unique to the Himalayas. It's a universal process, shaping mountain ranges across the globe. From the rugged peaks of the Rockies to the ancient Appalachians, the story is the same. A continuous dance between creation and destruction, a rhythmic breathing that shapes the Earth's surface. The timescales involved are staggering. Millions of years may pass between the initial uplift and the eventual erosion of a mountain range. Yet, the cycle continues, an endless repetition of building and wearing away, a testament to the Earth's enduring dynamism. This is the Earth's heartbeat, a slow, steady rhythm that has shaped our planet for billions of years, a rhythm we can only perceive through the lens of deep time. Consider the Appalachian Mountains, ancient giants worn down by eons of erosion. Their rounded peaks and gentle slopes tell a story of past grandeur, of a time when they were far taller, far more dramatic. Even in their diminished state, however, they stand as a testament to the Earth's enduring power, a testament to the rhythm of uplift and decay, a breathtaking testament to deep time itself. They whisper of the slow, rhythmic breathing of our planet, a constant dance of creation and destruction that has shaped the world we know. We've been speaking of the Earth's rhythmic breathing, the slow, steady dance of mountain building and erosion. But to truly understand this process, we must grapple with the concept of deep time or geological time, a timescale so vast it stretches the limits of human comprehension. Imagine a single grain of sand, tiny and insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Now imagine a beach, countless grains stretching as far as the eye can see. That beach represents a single year in geological time. The entire length of that beach, stretching across miles, represents only a single year. Now imagine stretching that beach across continents, across oceans, across the entire globe. This immense expanse begins to represent the vastness of geological time. The formation of a mountain range, the slow, majestic rise of peaks piercing the sky, is a process that unfolds not over decades or centuries, but over millions, even tens of millions of years. It's a story written in stone, a narrative etched in the very fabric of the earth, a story that unfolds at a pace imperceptible to human experience. Consider the mighty Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range. Their formation began millions of years ago, a continuous process of tectonic plate collisions, a relentless pushing and shoving of immense rock formations. The sheer scale of this process, the unimaginable forces involved, takes our breath away. To comprehend this, we must expand our understanding of time, moving beyond the human experience into the realm of geological deep time. Think of the erosion of a mountain, the relentless action of wind, water, and ice, slowly, patiently, wearing away at the rock, carving valleys and shaping peaks. This too is a process that unfolds over vast spans of time, a slow, steady sculpting that takes millions of years to reveal its full impact. A single raindrop, seemingly insignificant, yet over millennia, its impact is immeasurable. To grasp the scale of geological time, we can use analogies. Imagine the entire history of humankind compressed into a single day. All of human civilization, from the earliest hominids to the present day, would fit within the span of a single 24-hour period. Now, consider the age of the Earth, billions of years old. The formation of a single mountain range within this context is a process that would span many days, weeks, even months within our compressed 24-hour analogy. Geological time is a vast ocean, and human time is a single drop within it. It's a humbling thought, but it also allows us to appreciate the slow, deliberate processes that shape our planet, the constant, rhythmic breathing of the Earth, shaping and reshaping our world with a patience and power beyond our comprehension. The mountains stand as silent witnesses to this deep time, their very essence a testament to the immense spans of time involved in their creation and transformation. They are not just geological formations. They are living monuments to the deep time that shapes our world. Let's delve deeper into the breathtaking slowness of geological time, a timescale so vast it defies our everyday understanding. Picture a single, unassuming rock perched high on a mountain slope. Imagine the wind whispering past it, the rain gently etching its surface, the frost slowly cracking its edges. These seemingly insignificant events, repeated countless times over millennia, gradually reshape the rock, the mountain, and the landscape itself. Consider the Grand Canyon, a chasm carved by the relentless flow of the Colorado River. This magnificent gorge, a testament to the power of water over time, wasn't formed in a single catastrophic event, but rather through the slow, patient erosion of millions of years. Each drop of water, each grain of sand, each gust of wind contributed to the canyon's breathtaking grandeur, a slow, steady sculpting process unfolding over eons. The Himalayas, those majestic peaks piercing the sky, are the product of a collision between tectonic plates, a slow-motion drama that began millions of years ago and continues to this day. The immense pressure and force involved, a continuous, relentless pushing and shoving, slowly but surely lifted these colossal mountains, a testament to the power of Earth's internal forces acting over incredibly vast timescales. Think of the Appalachian Mountains, ancient giants weathered by time. Their rounded peaks and gentle slopes tell a story of erosion, a tale etched into the landscape over millions of years. Glaciers, rivers, and wind have worked in concert, slowly wearing down these ancient mountains, shaping their contours and revealing the layers of history embedded within them. The story of mountain formation isn't a sprint. It's a marathon, a continuous process of building and breaking down, a dance of creation and destruction. Each layer of rock tells a part of this story, recording events that occurred millions of years ago. The uplift of mountains, the carving of valleys, the shaping of peaks, these are processes that unfold at a pace imperceptible to human experience. Yet their cumulative effect is breathtakingly dramatic. Imagine a time-lapse film of a mountain range. We wouldn't see the slow creep of glaciers, the gradual erosion by wind and rain, or the subtle shifts caused by tectonic forces. It would appear static, unchanging. But if we could speed up the film, if we could compress millions of years into a few minutes, we would witness the magnificent spectacle of mountain creation and destruction. We would see the slow, relentless rise of mountains, their peaks piercing the sky. We would see the carving of valleys, the shaping of canyons, the sculpting of peaks. We would see the power of nature, its patience, its persistence, its ability to shape the Earth's surface over millions of years. It's a spectacle of immense beauty and humbling power, and it's a process that continues even now, as the Earth breathes, inhales and exhales, creating and destroying, shaping the world around us. The mountains, therefore, are not static objects but dynamic entities, constantly evolving, constantly changing, a testament to the ceaseless dance of Earth's processes. Imagine the Earth as a vast, ever-changing canvas, its surface constantly being painted and repainted by the brushstrokes of geological time. At the heart of this dynamic process lies the rock cycle, a continuous loop of transformation that shapes mountains, valleys, and plains. It's a story of creation and destruction, of metamorphosis and renewal, played out over unimaginable spans of time. Rocks, seemingly static and unchanging, are in fact dynamic participants in this grand cycle. Mountains, those colossal monuments to geological forces, are born from the uplift of immense rock formations, often formed deep within the Earth under immense pressure and heat. These rocks, igneous in origin, might have once been molten magma, slowly cooling and solidifying over millennia, their crystalline structures reflecting the slow, deliberate pace of geological processes. As mountains rise, they become exposed to the elements. Wind, rain, ice, and gravity begin their relentless work of erosion, wearing away at the exposed rock surfaces. This weathering process breaks down the solid rock into smaller and smaller fragments, transforming it into sediment, sand, silt, and clay. Rivers and glaciers transport this sediment, carrying it to lower elevations, often depositing it in valleys and basins. This sediment, accumulated over time, undergoes a transformation of its own. Under the weight of overlying layers, pressure and time work their magic. The sediment compresses, the individual particles binding together to form sedimentary rocks, layers of history compressed and preserved within the Earth. Think of these as ancient archives, each layer recording a moment in time, a snapshot of a bygone era. But the cycle doesn't end there. Further down, intense pressure and heat can transform sedimentary rocks or even igneous rocks, creating metamorphic rocks altered by extreme conditions. These changes can bring about remarkable transformations, often resulting in new mineral formations and textures, enhancing the beauty and complexity of the Earth's rock formations. The continuous interplay of these processes, igneous formation, erosion, sedimentation, and metamorphism, forms the rock cycle's ceaseless dance. Mountains are not merely the products of this cycle. They are active participants. Their uplift exposes rock to erosion, contributing to the creation of new sedimentary formations, which may eventually be transformed into metamorphic rocks, ready to be uplifted once again. beginning the cycle anew. The rock cycle, therefore, is not just a geological phenomenon. It's a testament to the Earth's dynamic nature, a continuous process of creation, destruction, and transformation. It's a cycle of renewal, where old materials are broken down and reformed, creating the diverse and breathtaking landscapes we see today. Mountains, in this grand scheme, are both players and products of this magnificent, never-ending story. They stand as majestic monuments to a process that has shaped our planet for billions of years, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the Earth. This continuous transformation, this ceaseless cycle, is the very essence of our planet's vibrant geological heart. Imagine a mountain, its peak kissed by the sun, slowly yielding to the persistent caress of wind and water. Tiny fragments, grains of rock, are loosened from its majestic form, beginning a long journey to a new destination. This is the beginning of sedimentation, a process as gentle as it is powerful, a slow, deliberate dance of erosion and deposition. The eroded material, a mixture of sand, silt, and clay, is carried away by a variety of agents: rushing rivers, meandering streams, powerful winds, or the slow, inexorable creep of glaciers. These agents act as tireless messengers, transporting the mountain's fragmented remains across vast distances. Rivers, like patient artisans, sculpt their channels through the landscape, carrying their sediment-laden waters towards the sea. Each grain of sand, each tiny particle of clay, is a piece of the mountain's story, carried downstream on a journey that may last for years, even centuries. The river's current, ever-changing, sorts the sediments, with larger particles settling closer to the riverbanks, while finer particles are carried further, creating varied landscapes along its course. Glaciers, ancient and powerful, act as colossal bulldozers, scraping and grinding rock into a fine powder. They transport this material, a mixture of rock flour and larger boulders, on their slow, majestic journeys across valleys and plains. When the glaciers finally melt, they leave behind vast deposits of sediment, reshaping the landscape in their wake. Wind, too, plays its part, carrying fine dust particles across continents. These particles, often invisible to the naked eye, can travel enormous distances, settling slowly in layers, creating vast deposits of lush, fertile soils that support life across vast expanses of land. As these sediments accumulate layer upon layer, they begin to compact under their own weight. The pressure increases, squeezing out water and air, causing the particles to bond together. Over immense spans of time, this process of compaction and cementation transforms loose sediment into solid rock, sedimentary rock, a testament to the power of patient accumulation. These new layers of sedimentary rock, built up over millions of years, often reveal fascinating stories of past environments. Each layer is a record of a specific time and place, preserving the remnants of ancient seas, deserts, and forests. These layers, patiently accumulating, tell the tale of the Earth's ever-changing surface, a narrative written in stone. The process of sedimentation, therefore, is not merely the transport and deposition of eroded material. It is a fundamental process in the formation of new rock layers, a vital part of the Earth's ongoing geological narrative. It is a process of building, of creation, a testament to the Earth's resilience and its capacity for constant renewal. These new layers, born from the fragments of mountains, eventually might themselves become mountains, participating once again in this magnificent cycle of creation and transformation. We've journeyed through the intricate dance of mountain building and destruction, witnessing the slow, deliberate movements of tectonic plates, the tireless work of wind and water, and the patient accumulation of sediments. This is the Earth breathing, a rhythmic pulse of creation and decay, a constant reshaping of the planet's skin. Think of the Earth as a vast, slumbering giant, its breath a slow, imperceptible rise and fall. Each inhalation is the uplifting of mountain ranges, the forceful collision of tectonic plates, a surge of energy from deep within. The exhalation is the gentle erosion, the slow wearing away of rock faces, the quiet retreat of glaciers, the steady accumulation of sediments. It's a cycle of immense power, yet carried out with a serene, almost meditative grace. This breathing is not a violent storm, but a gentle, persistent rhythm, a constant interplay of opposing forces. The mountains rise, their peaks piercing the sky, only to be slowly worn down by the relentless forces of nature. The valleys deepen, carved by rivers and glaciers, only to be filled again with the debris of eroded mountains. It's a process of constant change, yet the overall pattern remains. A breathtaking dance of creation and destruction. The rising and falling of landmasses, the ceaseless movement of tectonic plates, the erosion of mountains, the formation of sedimentary rock. These are all parts of the Earth's deep, rhythmic breathing. This is not a linear process. It's a complex interplay of forces, a symphony of geological activity that has been playing out for billions of years. Each mountain range, each valley, each canyon is a note in this grand composition, a testament to the Earth's enduring dynamism. The Earth's breath is not uniform. It's punctuated by periods of intense activity, followed by periods of relative calm. There are times when the mountains rise with dramatic speed, their creation a spectacle of geological forces. Other times, the pace is slower, a more subtle process of erosion and sedimentation, a quiet reshaping of the landscape. Yet, the breathing continues, a constant reminder of the Earth's restless energy and the immensity of deep time. And as we listen to this grand symphony of geological processes, we can feel the slow, steady rhythm of the Earth's breath, a reminder of the power and beauty of nature's enduring processes. The mountains, ever-changing, are a testament to this continuous cycle, a breathtaking spectacle of creation and destruction, a visual representation of the Earth's steady, rhythmic pulse. It is in this continuous rhythm, this constant interplay of forces, that we find a profound sense of peace and wonder. The Earth breathes, and in that breath, we find our own connection to the vastness and beauty of our planet. Let us now turn our gaze towards a specific example of this magnificent interplay of creation and destruction. The Rocky Mountains. These majestic peaks, stretching across North America, stand as a testament to the Earth's enduring power and the slow, deliberate hand of time. Their story is woven into the very fabric of the rocks themselves, a narrative etched in layers of ancient sediment and igneous intrusions. Imagine a time long before the Rockies existed, a vast expanse of ancient seas and low-lying land. Rivers carried sediment, grain by grain, depositing layer upon layer to form immense sedimentary basins. These layers, compressed over eons, solidified into rock, preserving a record of the Earth's distant past. Then, deep within the Earth, tectonic forces began to stir. The North American plate, in its ceaseless dance with other plates, began to buckle and fold. Immense pressure built, forcing the ancient sedimentary layers upwards, creating the nascent Rocky Mountains. This wasn't a sudden event. It was a process unfolding over millions of years, a slow, almost imperceptible rising of the land. Volcanic activity added its own dramatic strokes to the canvas, molten rock intruding between the sedimentary layers, cooling and hardening to form igneous rock formations. Once these mountains began to rise, the relentless forces of erosion took hold. Glaciers, carving paths through the stone with glacial patience, sculpted valleys and canyons. Rivers, relentless in their flow, wore away at the rock faces, carrying away sediment to distant plains. Wind, a sculptor of subtle artistry, polished surfaces and shaped the land with its constant caress. The mountains, once sharply defined by the forces of uplift, were now being reshaped, their features softened by the patient hand of time. The Rockies today are a breathtaking tapestry woven from these two opposing forces, the colossal power of tectonic uplift and the gentle, yet persistent work of erosion. Each peak, each valley, each canyon tells a part of this story, a tale of immense geological forces working over millions of years. Look closely at the exposed rock faces, and you can almost see the layers of time unfolding before you, the ancient sediments, the igneous intrusions, the scars of glacial movement. The Rocky Mountains are not static. They are dynamic, constantly evolving under the influence of the Earth's breath. Their beauty lies not only in their towering heights and dramatic landscapes, but also in the profound history they hold. They are a tangible representation of the Earth's deep time, a testament to the continuous interplay of forces that have shaped our planet. To stand among the Rockies is to stand before a living history, a silent witness to the Earth's grand, ongoing narrative. It is a place where the past is not merely buried but is revealed, layer by layer, in the majestic peaks and valleys before our very eyes. Now, let's journey to the Andes Mountains, a colossal spine running along the western edge of South America. Unlike the Rocky Mountains, the Andes story is deeply intertwined with the fiery heart of the Earth, a narrative forged in volcanic eruptions and sculpted by molten rock. Here, the tectonic plates are not merely colliding and folding. They are actively creating a landscape shaped by the power of volcanoes. Imagine the Earth's crust, a fractured shell, with the Nazca Plate diving beneath the South American plate in a process known as subduction. As this oceanic plate descends, it melts, creating vast reservoirs of magma deep beneath the surface. This molten rock, under immense pressure, seeks a way to escape, finding release through fissures and vents in the Earth's crust. Volcanoes, majestic and awe-inspiring, become the conduits for this subterranean fire. Eruptions, sometimes gentle and flowing, other times explosive and catastrophic, spew forth lava, ash, and gases, building layer upon layer of volcanic rock. These eruptions, repeated over millions of years, have formed the very backbone of the Andes, creating a landscape unlike any other. The Andes are not simply a chain of mountains. They are a chain of volcanoes, many still active today. Their peaks, often capped with snow and ice, are testament to the Earth's internal fire and its relentless shaping of the surface. The fertile soil surrounding these volcanoes, enriched by volcanic ash, supports a vibrant ecosystem, a testament to the paradoxical nature of volcanic activity, both creator and destroyer. Cones rise majestically from the Earth, their slopes sculpted by lava flows that hardened into dark, rugged rock. Calderas, vast depressions left by collapsed volcanic structures, hold shimmering lakes, reflecting the sky and the surrounding peaks. Volcanic activity hasn't only built the mountains, it has carved them, too. Pyroclastic flows, superheated currents of gas and rock, have cut deep valleys and canyons, leaving behind a landscape of dramatic contrasts. The Andes, therefore, are a unique testament to the power of volcanic processes. They are a landscape of extremes, where the fiery heart of the Earth meets the cold, clear air of the high altitudes. Their beauty lies not only in their sheer scale and dramatic peaks, but also in the story they tell. A story of molten rock, explosive eruptions, and the slow, relentless shaping of the land by volcanic forces. The Andes are a breathtaking reminder of the planet's dynamic nature, a testament to the Earth's restless energy and its capacity for both creation and destruction. Their volcanic origins are not just a part of their history, they are integral to their very being. They are a living, breathing testament to the ongoing forces shaping our planet. Now, let us journey to the heart of Europe, to the majestic Alps, a testament to the Earth's immense power. Unlike the volcanic Andes, the Alps story is one of colossal collision, a titanic clash of continental plates that sculpted this breathtaking range. Picture two immense landmasses, drifting slowly across the globe for eons, their paths inexorably leading towards a rendezvous of unimaginable force. Millions of years ago, the African and Eurasian plates met in a slow-motion collision, a geological ballet of immense power and grace. The Earth's crust, unable to easily absorb this pressure, buckled, folded, and fractured, creating a vast upheaval of rock. Mountains rose, not from volcanic fire, but from the sheer force of tectonic plates colliding, grinding against each other in a monumental embrace. Imagine the unimaginable pressure, the immense weight of rock upon rock, forcing layers skyward, creating towering peaks and deep valleys. This collision didn't happen overnight. It unfolded over millions of years, a slow but relentless process that shaped the Alps into the breathtaking range we see today. The Alps are a masterpiece of compression, a testament to the Earth's ability to sculpt vast landscapes through the slow, relentless movement of its tectonic plates. The collision didn't just create the mountains, it also created the very rocks that compose them. Ancient marine sediments, once lying on the ocean floor, were thrust upwards, folded and contorted, forming the complex geological structures we see in the Alps today. These rocks, now exposed to the elements, bear the marks of their journey from the depths of the ocean to the heights of the mountains. But the story of the Alps doesn't end with the collision. Erosion, the sculptor of mountains, has played a crucial role in shaping the Alps into the magnificent range we know. Glaciers, rivers, and wind have relentlessly carved away at the uplifted rock, creating sharp peaks, deep valleys, and breathtaking landscapes. Glacial valleys, U-shaped troughs carved by the slow, relentless movement of ice, are a testament to the power of ice erosion. Rivers, carving their way through the mountains, have created deep gorges and canyons, testament to the relentless power of water. The Alps, therefore, are not just mountains. They are a living monument to a collision of continents, a story etched in stone, sculpted by ice and water, a testament to the planet's dynamic processes. Their grandeur is not merely in their height, but in the story they tell, a story of immense pressure, slow uplift, and relentless erosion, a masterpiece of geological time. Their jagged peaks and deep valleys whisper tales of ancient oceans and colliding continents, a symphony of geological forces played out over millions of years. The Alps stand as a powerful and beautiful reminder of the Earth's creative and destructive forces, a breathtaking monument to the power of deep time. As we've journeyed through the stories of various mountain ranges, a larger narrative has begun to unfold, a narrative woven into the very fabric of our planet's history. The formation of mountains isn't an isolated event. It's deeply intertwined with the broader story of Earth's evolution, a story etched in the rocks themselves. Each mountain range, each peak and valley, is a chapter in this epic tale, revealing secrets of a dynamic planet constantly reshaping itself. Consider the immense timescale involved. The processes we've explored, tectonic plate movement, volcanic eruptions, and the relentless work of erosion, aren't fleeting events. They unfold over millions, even billions, of years. The mountains we see today are not the mountains of yesterday. They are the culmination of countless geological events, each leaving its mark on the landscape. The rocks that form these mountains have lived through epochs, witnessing the rise and fall of ancient seas, the shifting of continents, and the evolution of life itself. This interconnectedness extends beyond the geological realm. The very air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil that nourishes our crops are all products of these geological processes. Mountains influence weather patterns, shaping rainfall distribution and creating diverse climates. They act as watersheds, feeding rivers and lakes, shaping the flow of water across continents. The erosion of mountains releases vital nutrients into the soil, supporting ecosystems and sustaining life. The story of mountains is, therefore, not just a geological narrative. It's a story of life itself. The rise of mountain ranges has profoundly influenced the evolution of plants and animals, creating diverse habitats and driving speciation. Mountain ranges have acted as barriers, shaping migration patterns and influencing the distribution of species. Human civilizations have also been shaped by mountains, influencing settlement patterns, trade routes, and cultural development. So, as we look upon the majestic peaks, the rugged valleys, and the seemingly immutable landscapes, remember that they are not static entities. They are dynamic features, constantly evolving, constantly interacting with the planet's systems. They are living witnesses to Earth's history, a testament to the planet's relentless dynamism, a beautiful and powerful expression of deep time. Understanding the geological processes that shape mountains, therefore, isn't simply appreciating their beauty. It's understanding the interconnectedness of all Earth's systems and gaining a deeper understanding of our planet's rich and complex history. It's recognizing that the story of mountains is, in essence, the story of Earth itself, an ongoing narrative of creation, destruction, and renewal. A story written in stone, sculpted by time, and revealed in every mountain range across the globe. Imagine the mountains as ancient libraries, their pages written not in ink, but in layers of rock. Each stratum, Each fold, each fracture tells a story of Earth's past, meticulously preserved for eons. Within these colossal stone volumes, we find a record of geological events, a testament to the planet's dynamic history. The very composition of the rocks reveals much. The type of rock, its mineral content, and its texture offer clues about the conditions under which it was formed. Sedimentary rocks, for instance, tell tales of ancient seas and rivers, their layers recording the passage of time like annual rings on a tree. Igneous rocks, born of fire and magma, speak of volcanic eruptions and the immense power hidden beneath the Earth's crust. Metamorphic rocks, transformed by heat and pressure, whisper of tectonic collisions and the immense forces that shape continents. Fossils embedded within these rocks are like snapshots of life through time. They provide evidence of ancient ecosystems, revealing the types of plants and animals that thrived in different eras. The presence of certain fossils can help date rock layers and reconstruct past climates. These silent witnesses from the past paint vivid pictures of a world vastly different from the one we know today. The structure of the mountains themselves offers further insights. Fault lines, those jagged scars on the Earth's surface, mark the boundaries of tectonic plates and reveal the history of their movements. Folds and wrinkles in the rock layers showcase the immense forces of compression and deformation that have shaped the landscape. The angles of these features can help geologists reconstruct the direction and magnitude of these ancient tectonic events. Even the erosion patterns on a mountain's slopes hold valuable clues. The shapes of valleys, canyons, and glacial features offer insights into the forces of wind, water, and ice that have sculpted the landscape over millennia. By studying these patterns, geologists can reconstruct past climates and decipher the processes that have shaped the mountain over time. Thus, mountains are not just majestic landscapes, they are living archives. Each peak, each valley, each rock formation is a piece of a puzzle, a fragment of Earth's history waiting to be discovered and interpreted. By studying these stone records, we unravel the mysteries of our planet's past, gaining a deeper understanding of the forces that have shaped the world we inhabit and the processes that continue to shape it today. The mountains stand as silent but eloquent witnesses to the grand narrative of Earth's geological evolution, their story unfolding layer by layer, revealing the secrets of deep time. Let us pause and consider the breathtaking artistry of slow change. The mountains, in their silent grandeur, are a testament to the power of gradual transformation, a masterpiece sculpted over millennia by the patient hand of nature. It's a process so subtle, so slow, that it often escapes our immediate perception, yet its impact is profound and undeniable. Imagine the relentless drip of water, carving canyons through solid rock, a testament to the power of persistence. Picture the wind, a sculptor of immense patience, shaping the peaks and polishing the surfaces of mountains over countless seasons. Envision the glaciers, slow-moving rivers of ice, grinding away at the land, carving valleys and leaving behind their distinctive mark. These forces, seemingly insignificant in the short term, accumulate their effects over vast stretches of time, their cumulative influence transforming the landscape in ways that are both dramatic and sublime. The mountains are not static entities. They are dynamic landscapes in constant flux, a perpetual dance between uplift and erosion, creation and destruction. The beauty of this slow change lies in its quiet power, its inherent grace. It's a process that unfolds with a measured rhythm, a gentle unfolding of time. There's a certain serenity in the contemplation of these slow transformations, a sense of peace that comes from acknowledging the vastness of geological time and the patience of nature. Consider the delicate balance between the forces of uplift, pushing mountains skyward, and the forces of erosion, relentlessly wearing them down. This ongoing interplay is not a battle, but a dance, a continuous dialogue between creation and destruction. The mountains themselves are a living testament to this dynamic equilibrium, their forms reflecting the constant negotiation between these opposing forces. As we gaze upon a mountain range, we witness not only the product of millions of years of geological processes, but also the ongoing dance of these powerful forces. Each peak, each valley, each curve and crevice speaks to this slow, rhythmic transformation. The beauty of the mountains lies not only in their grandeur, but also in the subtle nuances of their forms, the testament to the artistry of slow change. The slow, deliberate pace of these geological processes allows for an elegance of form, a refinement of detail that is rarely seen in events that unfold rapidly. It's a beauty born of patience, a testament to the power of time and the inherent artistry of nature's slow, deliberate hand. The mountains stand as a reminder of the beauty and wonder inherent in the slow, gradual changes that shape our world, a constant reminder of the profound power and exquisite artistry of nature. Gaze upon a mountain range, a colossal tapestry woven from the threads of time. Each peak, each valley, each sculpted curve speaks volumes of a history far exceeding our own fleeting existence. These majestic formations are not merely geological structures. They are living testaments to the enduring power of Earth's deep time processes. The story begins far beneath the surface, where colossal plates of rock collide, grind against each other, and buckle under immense pressure. This tectonic ballet, unfolding over millions of years, is the genesis of mountains. Imagine the slow, inexorable force of these plates, their movement imperceptible in the span of a human lifetime, yet capable of raising colossal ranges into the sky. The process is not solely about uplift. It's a dance of creation and destruction. As mountains rise, the relentless forces of erosion begin their patient work. Wind, a tireless sculptor, carves away at exposed rock faces, patiently shaping the landscape. Water, in its myriad forms, from torrential rains to meandering rivers, cuts deep canyons and valleys, leaving its indelible mark upon the land. Glaciers, slow-moving rivers of ice, act as colossal bulldozers, carving U-shaped valleys and leaving behind a legacy of sculpted rock. Gravity, the ever-present force, pulls loose rock and debris downslope, constantly reshaping the mountain's contours. These forces, working in concert over immeasurable spans of time, create a dynamic interplay between mountain building and mountain carving. Consider the sheer scale of time involved. The mountains we see today are the culmination of processes that began millions, even billions, of years ago. Each layer of rock, each fossil embedded within, tells a fragment of this epic saga. The mountains are not static monuments. They are living archives, their very structure a record of Earth's dynamic history. The timescale of mountain formation and erosion transcends human comprehension. It is a process that unfolds at a pace far slower than our own hurried lives, a symphony of geological forces played out over eons. Yet, the results are breathtakingly beautiful, a testament to the power and patience of nature. So, as you look upon these colossal formations, remember that you are witnessing the culmination of millions of years of geological artistry, a story etched in stone, a testament to the enduring power of time itself. The mountains stand as silent, majestic witnesses to the planet's vast and awe-inspiring history. Imagine our planet as a being vast and ancient, breathing slowly, rhythmically. Each inhale is a surge of tectonic energy, forcing the Earth's crust upwards, creating the majestic peaks that pierce the sky. These mountains, born of this deep, powerful breath, are the exhalations of the Earth, reaching for the heavens. Feel the pulse of the planet beneath your feet. Sense the slow, steady rhythm of its breath, a geological heartbeat echoing through the ages. As the Earth inhales, immense pressure builds deep within, forcing landmasses upwards, creating the raw, powerful architecture of mountain ranges. The process is immense, awe-inspiring, yet fundamentally a part of the planet's natural cycle. But the Earth's breath is not just about creation. It's also about renewal, about the constant cycle of building and breaking down. As the Earth exhales, the forces of erosion, wind, water, ice, and gravity, begin their patient work. They sculpt and refine, shaping the raw power of the uplifted land into the intricate landscapes we admire. Rivers carve canyons, glaciers carve valleys, and wind smooths the peaks, all in response to this exhalation. This continuous cycle of uplift and erosion, of creation and destruction, is the Earth's breath, a constant, rhythmic process shaping the planet's surface. Mountains are not static entities. They are dynamic, ever-changing features, constantly being reshaped by the planet's ongoing respiration. They are monuments to the planet's power, its dynamism, its inherent ability to create and renew. Consider the silent majesty of a mountain range, its peaks reaching towards the heavens. These are not just rocks. They are the tangible expression of the Earth's breath, its slow, powerful rhythm of creation and renewal. They stand as testaments to a process that has shaped our planet for billions of years, a process that continues to this day, shaping the land and inspiring awe in all who witness its majesty. The Earth breathes, and the mountains rise and fall in response, a testament to the planet's enduring power and beauty. Listen closely, and you might hear the soft whisper of the Earth's breath, a gentle rhythm that has shaped the world we know. The mountains, majestic in their stillness, are anything but static. They are participants in a continuous, breathtaking transformation, a silent ballet played out over millennia. Imagine the slow, deliberate dance of tectonic plates grinding against each other, a silent pressure building over eons. This immense force lifts the Earth's crust, creating the raw, powerful forms of mountain ranges. But the story doesn't end there. As the mountains rise, the relentless forces of erosion begin their work, a counterpoint to the tectonic dance. The wind whispers across the peaks, carving away at the exposed rock, patiently sculpting new shapes. Rain falls, carving rivers that cut deep canyons, revealing layers of history within the mountain's heart. Glaciers, like ancient sculptors, carve valleys and leave behind their icy signature, reshaping the landscape with their slow, inexorable movement. This interplay, this constant push and pull, is the essence of mountain formation. It's not a singular event, but a continuous process, a dynamic interplay of creation and destruction. The mountains are constantly being built and rebuilt, eroded and reshaped, in a never-ending cycle of change. Think of it as a timeless conversation between the Earth's interior and its atmosphere, a dialogue written in stone and ice, wind and water. Each peak, each valley, each canyon tells a story of this continuous transformation. They are not just static formations, but living entities, constantly evolving, constantly responding to the forces that shape them. A mountain range is not simply a collection of peaks, but rather a testament to the planet's dynamic energy, a record of the ongoing conversation between the Earth's internal forces and the relentless power of erosion. The process is slow, measured, almost imperceptible in the span of a human lifetime. Yet, over millions of years, these subtle shifts accumulate, creating dramatic changes in the landscape. The mountains stand as silent witnesses, their very forms a testament to the ongoing, continuous transformation of the Earth. They are a reminder that even the most enduring features of our planet are in a constant state of flux, a beautiful and awe-inspiring dance of creation and destruction. This continuous transformation is the very essence of the Earth's dynamic beauty, a constant reminder of its enduring power and timeless grace. As we contemplate the grandeur of mountains, let us pause to truly appreciate the immense power and artistry inherent in the geological processes that shape them. These are not mere formations of rock, but breathtaking expressions of Earth's dynamic energy, sculpted over eons by forces both subtle and immense. Consider the unimaginable pressure exerted by tectonic plates, colliding and grinding against one another with a force that slowly, inexorably, pushes mountains skyward. Picture the relentless erosion, a constant sculpting process driven by wind, water, and ice, each element playing its part in carving valleys, canyons, and peaks. These are processes that unfold over timescales far exceeding human comprehension, a geological ballet of creation and destruction, played out in slow motion over millions of years. The vastness of time itself is a key to understanding the majesty of mountains. Each layer of rock, each crevice, each grain of sand tells a story of epochs past, a chronicle etched in stone. The mountains are not just inert masses. They are living archives, preserving within their structures the history of our planet, a testament to the Earth's profound and enduring power. Imagine the rivers carving their paths through the mountainsides, their patient work shaping landscapes over millennia. Picture the glaciers, ancient rivers of ice, slowly grinding their way through valleys, leaving behind their distinctive mark on the land. The wind, too, plays its role, a sculptor of subtle elegance, eroding peaks and smoothing surfaces. Each of these processes, seemingly insignificant in the short term, contributes to the breathtaking beauty of the mountains. The scale of these geological processes is humbling. We stand before mountains, dwarfed by their immensity, and are filled with a sense of awe at the power that created them. Their sheer size and grandeur serve as a reminder of the profound forces that have shaped our planet and continue to do so. Appreciating this immensity fosters a deeper connection to the planet, a sense of wonder at the beauty and power of the Earth. So, let us look upon the mountains with renewed appreciation, recognizing them not simply as landmarks, but as living testaments to the immense power and artistry of geological processes. Let their majestic presence remind us of the deep time that has shaped our world, and the profound beauty that arises from the interplay of forces both grand and subtle. In their silent strength, the mountains whisper tales of creation, destruction, and continuous renewal, a timeless symphony played out on the grand stage of our planet. Let us listen to that symphony and find peace in its profound beauty. As we stand at the foot of a mountain, gazing up at its towering majesty, we are reminded of our own place within the grand scheme of Earth's geological history. We are not separate from this planet. We are inextricably linked to its rhythms and processes, woven into the very fabric of its existence. The mountains themselves bear witness to this connection. The minerals that form the mountains are the same minerals that flow through our veins, the very elements of our bodies echoing the composition of the Earth. The water that carves canyons and valleys is the same water that sustains life, a vital thread connecting all living things. The air we breathe, the wind that shapes the landscapes, are all part of a continuous cycle that sustains both the planet and its inhabitants. Consider the long, slow dance of geological processes, the uplift of mountains, the erosion of valleys, and how these processes have shaped human history. Mountains have served as barriers and pathways, shaping migration patterns, influencing the development of civilizations, and inspiring countless works of art and literature. Our lives, our cultures, our very histories are intertwined with the geological tapestry of our planet. The mountains are not just silent observers. They are active participants in our world, influencing weather patterns, providing habitats for a multitude of species, and shaping the very air we breathe. They are a source of inspiration, a reminder of the enduring power and beauty of the natural world. By understanding the geological forces that shape them, we gain a deeper appreciation for the planet's dynamic nature and our own place within it. Let us remember that we are part of a larger story, a narrative that stretches back billions of years. The mountains stand as silent witnesses to this vast history, reminding us of our connection to the Earth, its processes, and its enduring power. This awareness should foster a sense of responsibility, a commitment to protecting and preserving the planet that sustains us. As we reflect on our place within this grand geological context, let us feel a sense of profound connection to the Earth, a deep understanding of our shared history, and a renewed commitment to honoring the planet that provides for us. The mountains stand as a reminder of the enduring power of nature and the vital connection between humanity and the Earth. May this connection inspire us to live in harmony with nature, respecting the intricate web of life that sustains us all. The grandeur of mountains inspires a profound sense of awe, a humbling recognition of forces far greater than ourselves. These colossal structures, born from the fiery heart of the Earth and shaped by eons of relentless erosion, stand as testaments to the immense power and intricate beauty of natural processes. Let us pause to appreciate the delicate balance, the intricate dance of creation and destruction that has sculpted these magnificent landscapes. Imagine the slow, patient work of glaciers, carving valleys with icy precision, leaving behind U-shaped troughs and jagged peaks as their testament. Picture the relentless pounding of waves against coastal cliffs, slowly but surely chipping away at the rock, shaping dramatic coastlines and hidden coves. Consider the wind, a sculptor of immense patience, eroding rock faces and shaping sand dunes into ever-shifting forms. Each mountain range, each valley, each individual rock formation whispers a story of immense power, a narrative etched in stone over millions of years. These stories are not just geological. They are testaments to the resilience and adaptability of life itself. Plants cling to steep slopes, animals find refuge in rocky crevices, and entire ecosystems thrive in the unique environments created by these geological wonders. But this awe should not be passive. It should ignite within us a profound respect for the delicate balance of nature, a commitment to protecting these magnificent landscapes for generations to come. The power that created these mountains is also capable of destruction. Climate change, deforestation, and unsustainable practices threaten the very ecosystems that depend on these majestic formations. Let us embrace a mindful stewardship of our planet, recognizing our responsibility to protect the intricate web of life that supports us. This involves not only preserving the physical landscapes, but also acknowledging the cultural and spiritual significance of mountains in many societies. They are not just geographical features. They are sacred sites, sources of inspiration, and integral parts of diverse cultural traditions. The mountains remind us of the incredible power and beauty of nature, but they also serve as a stark reminder of our own vulnerability and the importance of responsible action. Let us approach these majestic landscapes with humility, recognizing the profound impact our actions have on the delicate balance of the natural world. By fostering a deep respect for the power and beauty of nature, we can ensure that these majestic mountains continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. May this respect guide our actions, leading us towards a future where the harmony between humanity and nature is preserved for all time. As we conclude our journey through the geological heart of mountains, let us reflect on their enduring legacy. These majestic structures are not merely inert masses of rock. They are living monuments, constantly evolving, yet steadfast in their presence. They stand as silent witnesses to the relentless passage of time, their very substance a chronicle of Earth's dynamic history. Mountains have shaped civilizations, influencing migration patterns, defining borders, and inspiring countless works of art, literature, and music. Their imposing presence has instilled a sense of awe and wonder in humanity for millennia, prompting philosophical contemplation and spiritual reflection. They are more than just geographical features. They are symbols of strength, resilience, and the enduring power of nature. Consider the intricate tapestry woven into their slopes, the delicate interplay of light and shadow, the vibrant hues of wildflowers clinging to rocky crevices, the silent majesty of ancient forests blanketing their flanks. These details paint a picture of intricate beauty, a testament to the subtle artistry of nature's hand. The enduring legacy of mountains is not only etched in stone, but also woven into the very fabric of life itself. The vastness of geological time, so readily apparent in the monumental scale of mountain ranges, inspires a sense of humility and perspective. Our individual lives, fleeting against the backdrop of millions of years, find meaning and context within this grand narrative. The mountains remind us of the interconnectedness of all things, of the cyclical nature of creation and destruction, and of the enduring power of natural processes. Their legacy extends beyond the physical realm. They are etched into our collective consciousness, inspiring artists, poets, and dreamers across cultures and generations. From ancient myths to modern-day photography, mountains serve as powerful symbols of aspiration, strength, and the unwavering spirit of nature. Their enduring presence reminds us of the beauty and wonder inherent in the natural world, a world that we have a responsibility to protect and cherish. Let the image of these majestic landscapes linger in your mind, a reminder of the immense power, delicate beauty, and profound legacy of mountains. May this journey through the geological processes that shape them inspire a deeper appreciation for the Earth's intricate wonders and strengthen our commitment to their preservation. The legacy of mountains is a legacy of awe, wonder, and the enduring power of nature. Let us carry that legacy forward, ensuring that future generations can also experience the breathtaking majesty of these earthly giants. Our journey through the majestic world of mountains has come to an end, but the exploration doesn't have to. The wonders of geology are vast and varied, inviting us to delve deeper into the fascinating processes that shape our planet. Perhaps the rhythmic pulse of tectonic plates, the slow, inexorable dance of continents colliding and separating, sparks your curiosity. Imagine the immense forces at play, the molten rock surging beneath the Earth's surface, the mountains rising like colossal waves in a subterranean ocean. There are countless resources available to unravel these mysteries, from documentaries and online courses to captivating books and engaging scientific articles. The intricate beauty of erosion, the subtle sculpting of wind, water, and ice, also holds endless fascination. Consider the delicate balance between uplift and decay, the constant reshaping of landscapes over millennia. Examine the layers of rock, each one a testament to a different era, each one telling a story of ancient seas, volcanic eruptions, and glacial advances. Explore the rich tapestry of geological formations, from towering cliffs to meandering canyons, each a unique expression of Earth's creative power. For those with a thirst for hands-on learning, consider visiting a local museum of natural history or geology center. These institutions often house impressive collections of rocks, minerals, and fossils, allowing you to experience the tangible evidence of Earth's dynamic past. Many also offer guided tours and educational programs, providing opportunities to engage with experts and expand your understanding. Perhaps you're drawn to the stories etched in stone, the fossils embedded within mountain ranges, revealing glimpses into the ancient world. Imagine the creatures that once roamed these lands, the plants that thrived in prehistoric climates. Research paleontology, the study of ancient life, to uncover the fascinating narratives hidden within the geological record. Discover the evidence of past extinctions and the evolution of life on Earth, interwoven with the very rocks that form our mountains. Beyond formal studies, there are countless opportunities for informal learning. Explore the mountains themselves, whether through hiking, climbing, or simply quiet contemplation. Observe the intricate details of the landscape, the textures of the rocks, the flow of water, and the patterns of vegetation. Each mountain range offers a unique perspective on the geological processes that have shaped it, a living testament to the power and artistry of deep time. The world of geology is a boundless ocean of knowledge, inviting you to explore its depths at your own pace. Embrace the opportunity to expand your understanding, to appreciate the interconnectedness of our planet, and to marvel at the intricate beauty of the natural world. Let the mountains be your inspiration, guiding you on your continuing journey of discovery. The wonders of our planet await. As we stand at the foot of these colossal monuments to time, a sense of profound wonder washes over us. The mountains, silent witnesses to eons of Earth's history, whisper tales of fiery births and slow, deliberate sculpting. Each peak, each valley, each jagged cliff face speaks of a power beyond human comprehension, a power that has shaped not just the landscape, but the very fabric of our existence. Imagine the molten heart of the Earth, a churning sea of fire and pressure, slowly pushing upwards, forcing the land to rise. Visualize the relentless dance of tectonic plates, their grinding collision creating the very bones of these majestic giants. Feel the gentle caress of wind and rain, the relentless gnawing of glaciers, shaping the mountains into their breathtaking forms, a testament to the enduring power of erosion. These mountains are more than just geological formations. They are living, breathing entities, constantly evolving, forever changing. They are a canvas upon which the forces of nature paint their masterpieces, a symphony of creation and destruction played out over millions of years. Their silent grandeur inspires awe, a humbling reminder of the vastness of time and the intricate beauty of our planet. Consider the delicate ecosystems that thrive within these seemingly harsh environments, the resilient plants clinging to rocky slopes, the animals that have adapted to the unique challenges of mountainous terrain. These are not just isolated pockets of life. They are integral parts of a larger, interconnected web, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life itself. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the mountain slopes, let us pause to reflect on the profound interconnectedness of all things. The mountains are not separate from us. They are integral to our very being. They provide us with fresh water, clean air, and inspiration for generations. They remind us of our place within the grand scheme of things, a small but vital part of a larger, more intricate tapestry. Let the mystery of these majestic giants fill you with a sense of wonder, a sense of awe, and a renewed appreciation for the delicate balance of our planet. Let the mountains inspire you to protect and cherish this precious earth, this home we share with all living things. May the echoes of their silent grandeur resonate within your heart long after this journey ends, a reminder of the enduring power and breathtaking beauty of the natural world. Breathe deeply and let the wonder settle within you.